Hello, this is Talmir and welcome to another repair video. We're looking at an iPhone 7 that is stuck on the Apple logo. Now, this is a problem that sometimes is caused by batteries. If the battery is not working properly or even is disconnected, sometimes this can happen. Most times when the battery is disconnected, what actually happens is it boot loops and you see the Apple logo pop up over and over and over again. So this isn't happening exactly in this particular situation. But we're going to get this screen off. We're going to see what's happening on the inside. Now, the customer did state that when this happened first, initially, the phone got really hot and then it started doing this. So it is possible that there may be a problem with the phone's motherboard itself. We have yet to see. Okay, we got it nice and hot. Let's get that screen off. Here we are. The battery looks fine. It's not bloated or anything. Let's get that screen disconnected. Actually, I'm going to try doing this without taking the battery out. I got an iPhone 7 battery right here. I'm going to try putting this one in and just see if this makes any difference. Now, there is a possibility this battery is very low in juice, and this might not turn on. Okay, so yeah, that battery that I'm using for testing, it's out of juice. I'm going to put it aside, I'm going to get some charge into it, I'm going to work on something else in the meantime, and we'll get back in a moment. Alright, the screen just turned on, so let's see what it does, if it just hangs there, or does something better. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to call it here. This phone is dead. I'll remove my test battery. I'll just back that up even further, just out of curiosity mostly, but let's take my key on Lee and test the battery itself. Here. Underneath models, you can see it says it's 89%. That actually is the battery health. So 89% is very good. So it's definitely not the battery. I mean, the battery can show that kind of percentage and still be faulty. But in this particular occasion, it is very likely that the motherboard is burned out or that there was a short circuit on it. And there's not really much that can be done about it. Well, there's nothing that I can do about it at this point in time. So I'm going to put those shields back on, put the phone back together, and let the customer know that this phone is a dud, unfortunately. That is actually about all the testing I can do for this particular phone. Like there's some sort of short on there that needs to be resolved. And with the iPhone 7 series of phones, generally speaking, soldering work, it's just not worth doing. That's it for this video. If you guys liked the video, please do leave a like. And if you want to see more of my stuff, subscribe. I'll see you guys all in another video. Bye.